Annually, Actual Systems, the provider of the Pinnacle Classic and the Pinnacle Professional Automotive Recycling software, and the United Recyclers Group, the largest progressive group of auto recyclers in North America, team up to present the URG and Pinnacle Training Conference in Denver, Colorado.
Every year it always proves to be the best conference that you can attend by far. You know, it's not a trade show, it's a users meeting.
The deal is there isn't any place that you're going to go and you're going to get more seminars. They're going to have 50 seminars in 2 days. The problem here is not figuring out what to go listen to. The problem is you got 2 or 3 you want to listen to in the same hour. So I'm having you go listen to that one, and you go listen to that one, and I'll go listen to this, and then we'll compare notes. That's why they grow.
This conference brings together the most advanced recyclers from not only the US and Canada, but from all over the world, including the UK, Europe, and Australia.
I think it's a really good setup. I really like the different breakout sessions.
I honestly, every time I go, I learn more from this conference than any other conference, bar none.
Fun stuff going on. We're learning, getting smarter by the class.
Being hailed as the premier industry trade event, prestigious delegates will be in attendance with relevant and extensive training seminars. Additionally, the venue in beautiful Denver, Colorado can't be beat. Get up to speed on all the latest industry trends and keep your finger on the pulse of the rapidly developing Pinnacle Professional Automotive Recycling software.
This is always my favorite conference. I think it's the conference I learn the most, and that's really what makes it for me, is that the speakers are very informational, and you've got a really good mix of technical support, other recyclers that are succeeding and sharing their success.
3 straight days of leading industry consultants, strategic industry gurus, and Pinnacle power users present a whole array of breakout sessions designed to keep recyclers on the cutting edge.
It's a growing industry, things are changing fast, and a conference like this and a few others allow you to keep connected on what's changing. This is where we make that connection and find out what's happening in the future so we can be ready for that change.
Regardless of which automotive recycling software attending facilities are using, nearly all conference attendees swing by the Pinnacle demo room to see the latest on Pinnacle Professional.
So I work directly with the programmers, so I've been part of doing all of the new development, and so to see the buzz on the changes we've just recently done is just amazing.
You can ask training related questions, see what's new with development, or just plain see what the hype is about.
We're here, we're trying to give them the best system that we can. So if they're talking to each other and getting more of the system, then it helps us. And our best salesperson is the customer.
This demonstration facility is open to all attendees for the entire event. Pinnacle's knowledgeable staff is on hand at all times to show why recyclers all over are making the switch to Pinnacle.
Well, I love PinPro. We've been on PinPro for a year and 4 months, and it's a fabulous system. It's wonderful, and I am so excited about the barcoding that's coming out. It's really going to revolutionize what we do. It's going to save a lot of time. Monday morning we're going to flip that switch and do remote work orders again, and it's going to save me a ton of money.
For those with questions about their URG membership and the ever-increasing list of URG benefits, the United Recyclers Group provides a hospitality center. Attendees are always interested in learning more about why URG has become one of the most proactive organizations to represent auto recyclers.
I love this conference. I think it does more than any other conference that anybody goes to at any time. I think that's why it's the fastest growing conference that you've seen.
And the beautiful thing about it, I like about it, is because I just came out of this seminar, it's taught by 2 recyclers. It's not me. I'm sitting here listening to other recyclers. This is what we're doing. This is how we work with the issues. And then you get all the discussion going on back and forth in the room as to how to make this thing work. And what about this? And somebody says, well, try that. And you get a huge collage and collection of information that you just don't get anywhere else.
It's a good thing. It's a way that, as auto records, we can keep connected to what's changing, where we kind of get stuck in our own little world and what's going on in our area, and we don't see the big picture. So without the conference, I don't think we'd be able to do that.
Whether it is sharing new ideas, networking, attending training seminars, or conversation with Pinnacle users, the URG Pinnacle Training Conference creates a unique venue for industry professionals to come together, creating a community of progressive recyclers who can freely discuss the latest industry concepts and trends. No one leaves the conference without having learned something new or without seeing a new approach to an old problem.
Awesome source of information on how to run a company.
Just so much knowledge in these walls just now that everyone gets benefit.
And people are coming out here to learn from other people that are battling the same problems, and everybody is helping each other survive a tough economy while business is going to continue to grow and get better for the people that work at it.
The URG Pinnacle Training Conference truly exhibits the mantra of Actual Systems Pinnacle and the United Recyclers Group. By recyclers, for recyclers.